Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about HL, Hekla Mining. I learned the name of this company from one of my viewers, right? And then I forgot about that. And recently, because I have too much CDE, so I want to diversify to different gold and silver stocks. And then I did some more research on HL, right? I found out this is a quite good investment in my opinion. So first of all, HL has a huge bullish bat pattern. Right? This is a 22-year-long bullish bat, starting from December. X point is December 1978, and D point is January 2001, right? And not only that, this one is basically harmonic pattern is a reverse pattern, right? So it's reversing starting from this top until here, like 45 years, right? So this is 1980, right? 45 years downtrend, it is reversing. So it's a huge pattern, right? So also in typically when this big pattern show up, it can usually make all-time high. And there's a chance it can even reverse this one, right? The all-time high. So from this year, it could be 57-year downtrend, right? So it could reverse either 45-year or 57-year downtrend. So that's number one. So why I am bullish on HL. And number two is the same as CDE, right? The reason I bought CDE is because dollar index, right? Dollar index is very bullish, right? It's hard to believe because it has been downtrend in the recent 3 years. But if we look at the big picture, it's an uptrend. So dollar is quite bullish. And if we take a closer look, right, it got support on this break line and also this traditional uptrend line, right? And September was a bear trap, and October is strongly bounced back. I believe soon, very soon, it's going to continue to go up. The first target is like here, around here, 108, right? And then continue go up. Because silver is bullish, and then dollar is bullish, US dollar is bullish, that's why I'm owning HL as well, because it's US mining companies, right? Most mining, silver mining companies are Canadians, but there are a number of US silver, small number of silver mining companies. HL is one of them, and CD is another one, right? So I own both. So those are two reasons why I'm bullish on HL. As for the target, right? So let's have a look at recent price action, right? So HL broke out this downtrend line, right? Strongly broke out, and then now it's trying to break out from recent high, right? So from Stan Weinstein's stage analysis perspective, it's in stage 2, and strong bull market, right? And as for the target, B point has already reached. Right? It's a low target, right? Very easy to overcome. To me, the first meaningful first target is this one, right? Break line, right? Breakout line. So this is the lowest point, and I found the second lowest point. It's hard to see because it's quarterly. Yeah, second lowest point. If we can go to monthly, it's maybe easier to see. Right, this is the lowest point, and this is second lowest point, and I connect the first up move, right? First sharp up move, and then extend it, right? Sorry, where did it go? Yeah, to this line. So extend it. So as of today, it's about $45, right? That's my first target. And then I continue, right? So I make, this is a breakout line, and this is a breakout channel, another channel. So simple, right? The second target is around 115, 110. And then third target is this one, right? Around 160. That's as of today, right? As bull market continues, naturally the target increases, right? So for example, if bull market continues, which I believe it does, it will. There's a video on silver in general, how long it may last. I believe it will last at least 5 more years from today, right? So if we continue to go up to like 2030, the target could be around 50, 120, and 170, right? Of course, it can go higher, but that's my minimum target. So around 160 plus. And silver itself, so these are, I'm trading these CDE and HL as a proxy of silver trading, right? So I'm looking at silver, whether to hold it or sell it, right? So silver is, okay, for those who are watching my video first time, um, this is I'm bullish on silver because of this bullish bat pattern, right? 12-year long bullish bat pattern. So it has a first spike up, that's wave 1, and then pullback, that's wave 2, got support at 618 retracement, and we are in the middle of wave 3, right? And as I said in another video, bull market usually makes 4 uptrend lines, okay? 4 angles, trend line angle, it changes 4 times. So silver is either, this is quarterly chart, either in the process of making 4th angle, or it can pull back to 3rd angle, right? So we still have a room to go, and usually the 4th angle is the longest and sharpest. Right? Either it's if price, it's either sharpest or longest, right? Or it could be both. So the bigger move is yet to come. Okay. So as for my plan for holding or selling, I am either, okay, I sell it at the wave 3 top, right? And then buy back at wave 4 bottom. So let's go look at some example, right? In the previous bull market, for example, oh, this is quite busy. Let me make it bigger here. Like in the immediately previous bull market, wave 3 top was 21.31 in March 2008. And then wave 4 bottom was 8.45 in October 2008, right? So it's quite sizable drop, right? Over 50% drop, right? So I may sell, the plan is sell around here and buy back around here, right? That's one plan. Or I can just hold it to the end, knowing the, the wave 5 is the biggest move, right? But let me decide when I get to the wave 3 top, right? Similarly, if we look at the earlier bull market, like here, 1974, right? So wave 3 top was 670 in February 1974. And then wave 4 bottom was here, right? January 1976 at 381. Again, this one is less dramatic drop than the earlier one, but still quite sizable drop, and it's quite long, right? So the goal is I may sell near the top of wave 3 and buy back again at wave 4 bottom, right? So that's my plan, okay? So I look at silver to decide whether to hold it or sell it, these two stocks, okay? Um, Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.